Hey there everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do the cleaning and the housework when I really don't feel like it. I've had a bit of a rough week and I really need some get up and go this morning. I'm going to put in my AirPods, I'm going to play some music to try and lift my mood a little bit, and I'm going to get stuck in to the housework. The first thing I'm going to do is the ironing. I normally iron my son's uniforms on a Sunday before a new week, but I've really not been with it this weekend. We've had a lot going on and I've not been myself, so I'm a day behind. So I'm going to do his ironing now and get all his uniforms ready for the week ahead. I've also got washing here, there and everywhere, so I need to collect all that up ready to be put away. I really feel like I've let the house go this past week. We've had a house full of illness, myself, the children, and then all sorts going on, and I haven't done anything properly like this for a good week. So I'm starting to feel better already just by doing these small jobs. I'm also going to take this washing off of the airer. I think this washing has been dry and ready to come down for days, but I'm finally getting around to doing it. I'm going to fold it all up, ready to be put away.
Used to be inseparable. I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it wasn't true.
And I'm also going to put a fresh load into the washing machine. The sound of the washing machine always lifts my spirits. It always makes me feel really productive.
Breaks my heart. Time for me to face the truth.
While I'm in here, I'm going to wipe down all of the surfaces in the utility room as well, just with a flash surface spray and a cleaning cloth. As I've got the cloth and the spray in my hand, I'm going to take it into the kitchen and start to wipe down all of the sides in here as well. The chopping board, this needs a good wipe down. I haven't wiped this down since I made the boys breakfast this morning, so this needs cleaning, and I'm going to make sure there's no crumbs or bits on any of the kitchen sides.
Somewhere down the line, we change and we grow and we fall.
I can really feel my mood improving already, so I'm going to light this candle just to make it feel nice and cozy in here while I continue to work away. I'm going to wipe down the hob now. It hasn't really been used, to be honest. I've not really felt like cooking or doing anything the past few days, but it is just dusty, so I'm just going to give it a really quick wipe down. Again, something I would normally do on a weekend, so I'm doing it a little bit late, but I'm going to plan all of the boys' dinners for the week ahead, write down what I'm going to be cooking for them every evening so that I feel organised and in control. I also really need to wipe down the dining table again. I have not done this for days, so there is a build-up of marks of food and things from where everybody's been having their dinner on here. I'm going to use my Lysol wipes. These are great because there is a rough side if you need to scrub anything and a smooth side for wiping down. I'm also just going to quickly do this bit of the kitchen as well because I forgot to wipe it earlier, so I'll just wipe down this large worktop as well. Next, I'm going to grab the vacuum cleaner and do all of the hard floors here in the kitchen and the dining play area. There is such a build-up of crumbs and things, and it's been honestly messing with my mood and making me feel even worse. looking at the state of it, so I feel so good hearing all of the bits being sucked up into the vacuum cleaner. Something that's been annoying me for a while now, and I've been meaning to do it, is I need to damp dust all of the skirting boards. This is a job that I generally don't look forward to doing. It's not a really fun job, but I always feel really good when I've done it. I'm using this Scrub Daddy damp duster. I love this one because it's grooved, so it really helps you get into the nooks and crannies of the skirting boards. But I'm going to do all of the skirting boards in the entire downstairs of the house. As you can see, they really needed doing. I'm just going to work my way across every room and every skirting board, just literally wiping with water and the sponge, and nothing works better for collecting the dust off the skirting boards than this method, I would say. Honestly, look at this water. How disgusting is that? But how satisfying to know that that is now all cleaned away. Next, I'm going to put away all of the clean washing that you saw me taking off the dryer and various places in my house earlier this morning. I'm going to fold everything into piles for every person so that I can swiftly put all of the clothes into everyone's wardrobes, drawers, etc. I also need to organise and hang up my son's uniforms for the week ahead, so I'm going to put all of this onto hangers and organise it in his wardrobe. I also noticed this morning that I need to replenish the toilet rolls in all of the bathrooms in the house, so I'm going to gather up as many toilet rolls as I can, go around to all of the toilets and bathrooms and make sure that they all have lots of spare toilet rolls. Now I'm going to vacuum the carpets upstairs. This always elevates my mood and makes me feel so much more productive. I love making lines in the carpets and making the home feel really clean and tidy. It gives like a hotel feel when I put lines in the carpet like this. I don't know why, it really works with elevating my mood.
In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better when I speak.
And for a little finishing touch, I'm going to go into my cleaning cupboard, grab some Fabulosa carpet and upholstery spray, and I'm going to just spritz it over these freshly hoovered carpets.
It's hard to get over, you chose some.
And I will just do the landing last of all so that I don't have to trample all over it to get to the bedrooms. Obviously, as soon as the boys get home, it's going to be trampled on and covered in footprints, but at least it will look like this for a few more hours.
Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me, I can't deny.
Okay, it's time to hang the Hoover up and reward myself. I'm going to get myself cozy in the living room before I have to collect my son in about 30 minutes. I've got my favourite drink, of course, and a little Fibre One cake bar to treat myself. I'm going to sit down and watch a little bit of telly before I collect Cooper. I already feel so much better just by getting those jobs done. If you feel like this, get up and go and you won't regret it. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.